Today I'm gonna give you my special recipe for something called bone broth. This bone broth is perfect for our health, especially for our sick joints. And this specific information is gonna be beneficial if you have arthritis in your hip, in your knees, maybe in your spine. Bone broth for joint flexibility, intended use. Sports joint health and flexibility with the collagen and minerals found in the bone broth. Ingredients: 2 pounds mixed bones, beef, chicken or fish, 2 carrots chopped, 1 onion chopped, 2 stalks celery chopped, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, water to cover, and herbs and spices are the optional. And this is the main ingredients that we're going to put in our bone broth, and it's going to be perfect for our health. Preparation: place bones in a large pot and cover with water. Add apple cider vinegar. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for the 12 to 24 hours. Skim off any foam that forms on the surface. Add vegetables and optional herbs in the last few hours of cooking. Stain the bone broth through the fine mesh sieve, discarding solids. Store bone broth in the refrigerator or freezer. How to use: consume 1 cup of warm bone broth daily to nourish joint and improve flexibility. Also, you can freeze this bone broth in the small portion and you can heat it each day, and you can, by my recommendation, take minimum 30 days in a row, and you will notice significantly better joint functions, less inflammation, less pain, anything that you have desired for your sick joints in a very natural way. If you want to learn a lot more about the special vitamins that can help you if you have sick joints, especially knee joints, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me, my dear viewers. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.